Yeah, they're tiny now, aren't they? It's amazing. I get really good sound from this as well. It's really surprising. So we're partying with the Sparrow family again. Here he is, the man of the moment. And this is the spread they've put on that we're going to be demolishing.
You haven't seen the Christmas Day video, have you?
No.
Check out that. Okay. So I'll run you through it. There's some cooked ham, that's rather nice. Some delicious sausage roll cut up. Some that's Swede and carrot, yeah? Swede and carrot mash. Some turkey, some pork pie.
Is that
pie.
Is that haggis?
Haggis down there. That's haggis.
There's also some bread.
And what's this one over here? This is pork.
Is it a pork? Is
Like char siu.
Is that the Chinese?
Like char siu, yeah. And there's some ties. And there's some. Oh, what's them's?
Those are bubble and squeak cakes.
Bubble and squeak cakes. Right, bubble and squeak. I'll have to do a video on bubble and squeak.
You will.
And that's the garlic bread again. Getting the treatment, getting the good news.
Get this trick.
There we go.
What's this? Haggis?
Yeah. I'm going to stop being polite and fill myself up and play.
I would do that with you before it's too late.
Form an orderly clue, darlings. There we go. It's recording.
Alright, mate.
So I'll let it out.
Are you sure I'm recording?
So you need to. So what we're doing is we're going to try this bubble and squeak cake. This is Lyndon's new experiment.
Yeah.
Let's
This is made out of leftover roast potatoes, pigs in blankets, and stuffing balls with some seasoning and wrapped in breadcrumbs.
Oh mate, you got the job.
Yeah.
I want that recipe.
I don't like throwing food away. And I've frozen them. They've not been there since Christmas, sitting there just gathering bacteria. But they've come straight out of the freezer and straight in the pan.
That's really, really good.
Are they tasty? I haven't tried them.
It's very tasty. It's it reminds me a little of rissoles that we had when we were kids.
Right.
And that was basically what a rissole was. It was.
It was bits and bobs of everything, wasn't it?
Leftovers, yeah.
Yeah.
Put together is this piccalilli.
Oh, no, it's delicious.
If you've ever had piccalilli.
Have you ever made your own piccalilli? I haven't, but Haywood's piccalilli is lovely.
It's not it's really more sour than sweet, and that's why I like it.
Yeah, I don't like the sweet stuff, no. And there's homemade sausage roll there with a bit of seasoning and onion packed in it. Richard's over there helping himself. Oh yes, it's recording, oh my god. There you go. I'll wander through, shall I? Yeah, you just carry on enjoying that. I'm going wandering through into the front room. There we go. This is more noshing going on in here. More noshing. Richard noshing. Here we are. Richard likes my nosh.
Oh yes.
Yeah, there you go. There's Daddy. Daddy's not noshing because Daddy's been noshing all day.
Is that sitting supping?
That's it. He's having supped. What's that? Oh, there he is with his lemonade in his hand. Yeah. There's Karen and Kathy noshing. Mummy's not noshing. Why is Mummy not noshing?
Mummy's already eaten.
Well, that's never stopped you before. Go and help yourself.
That's rude, isn't it, Pam?
Rude?
How very, very
How
rude.
I've got a nice 40, that's fine for me.
There's my brother, noshing. Yeah, he's on a free bath. A very nice limoncello. Where's Tegan gone? Oh, she's down there. Well, yeah, she is.
Hey, getting on with the job.
Getting on with the job.
Talking.
Here's Michael on his 10th plate. There you go. And here's Peter, the main man.
When was your last holiday then? No, went to Alicante.
You notice that the cook, who's now doing the filming, hasn't had anything to eat.
Is that a lot of the bowl where the risol used to be?
There's more in there, help yourself, mate, if you want. They've got to be eaten tonight. So,
Yeah.
Colin,
Oh, it's been
rissoles.
Well, thank you. Thank you.
behind the
I've never resolved. I've never resolved.
It's very different.
Swear at me.
I never checked.
Christmas it was stuffing balls, now it's rissoles.
It's all sorted.
Well,
An
everybody.
R and E.
Hey? No, but no, it's a misprint.
Oh,
Yeah.
Tom's kitchen.
It's that old joke, isn't it? The fellow that goes into the cafe and says, looks on the specials board and said,
Oh yeah.
I'll have piss holes and chips. And the young lady said, I'm sorry, someone's been messing about, it's a misspelling. He said, oh, should be an R. Oh, I'll have arseholes and chips then. I apologise to my mother-in-law, who must have heard that, but I couldn't resist that joke.
No, I didn't actually.
Oh, good.
It's all right.
I was talking to Karen.
Pat was being polite.
Yeah.
She switched off her hearing aid.
She's the only one who doesn't need one.
No, I know. I know you've got ears like
radar. Like radar.
Is that what it?
Yes. Oh, Nichols. Yeah.
Gosh.
When the kids were misbehaving, Dick, I used to hear them from 3 streets away. Nothing they could get away with
They used to
nothing.
set off for school. They're getting round the corner, muttering to themselves, and she'd shout, I heard that! Oh.
Yeah, I was saying, at work, with squeaks and rattles and stuff, it's always the women that pick them up.
Oh yeah.
Always. They've got sensitive ears, you know, they have.
Pat's ear is still very good.
I'm sensitive in different areas.
No, it's the truth. They definitely have better hearing, more acute hearing.
What sort of whiskey is it?
Later in life than that.
I think it's cardio, is it, Kath? The whiskey?
Oh, you're just going to stop now?
Well, I'm doing my job. I've been designated cameraman. No, it's all right, Peter. You carry on, mate. No, it's absolutely fine.
Just enjoying
Just
themselves.
turn it off when you're ready.
I will. What do I do? Just press the same thing again, do I? Okay, I'll figure it out.
Yeah, it's the button at the back where your thumb is.
Right. There you go. I think that's enough of people, not you.
Very nice.
I'm glad you like it. Not bad for £10 a head, is it?
Moustache.
There's a bucket by the front door.
Yeah. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.